You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary, including from French too many people mispronounce. Stay tuned to the channel, loads to learn here. Verbal is how it's said in French, so in English normally said as verbal, verbal, rather than verbal, which would be without the E at the end. Verbal, it's easy. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video, it helps me immensely. Appreciate the support, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.